Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, as we have few months away for the launch Samsung Galaxy S23 series, the Samsung Galaxy S23 protective case leak has left fans with divided opinions, especially over the corner design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. There are cases for each model in the series, including one incorrectly labeled Galaxy S23 Pro, which is for the Galaxy S23 Plus. The series should be released in early 2023. The well-known leaker Ice Universe has shared images of a new series of protective cases that have seemingly been prepared for the Samsung Galaxy S23 range, and it appears at least two things have been noticed by fans that have caused quite a discussion. The generic cases are for the Samsung Galaxy S23, Samsung Galaxy S23 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, although the tipster has already made it clear that the S23 Pro case has the wrong name and is for the S23 Plus. The Galaxy S23 and S32 Plus will have slightly larger batteries than their predecessors. The series will be powered by the unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The devices will apparently only be available in 4 colors, and it looks like Samsung may announce them before February 2023. The apparent good news is that the protective part for the rear-facing main camera equipment appears to be almost flush with the smartphone case itself, suggesting that the camera bumps for the Samsung Galaxy S23 series won't be particularly egregious. With the Galaxy S23 Ultra purportedly coming with a camera module featuring an arrangement of 5 sensors, it could have been a design disaster in the waiting for Samsung if a huge bump had been required to fit all the components, which include an expected 200 MP unit. But there might still be a design disaster depending on how the final version of the Galaxy S23 Ultra actually looks. Many have already been sold to the idea that the upcoming flagship will look very much like the S22 Ultra but with a boxier and flatter design, which could give it a more modern and refreshing aesthetic. But as can be seen in the protective case images, it appears that the white paper insert for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra case has the same rounded corners that will likely appear on the standard S23 and the S23 Plus phones. However, the Galaxy S23 Ultra case itself actually has straight exterior edges, where the cases for the other two S23 smartphones have rounded edges to match their rounded corner paper inserts. Although the top edge of the Ultra case does look like the insert fits snugly into the rounded corners, the bottom left part certainly seems to show a gap between the rounded corner of the insert and the straight corner of the case. While to many the shape of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's corners would hardly matter, it is clearly important to those who are expecting a straight-cornered flagship smartphone, and there is more to unveil. Well, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.